Okay, today we're going to learn how to put a matrix in our calculator and do several operations. So if you get your graphing calculator, turn it on, and if you notice that there is a matrix button, it's x to the negative 1, in blue it says matrix, so you'll hit second, x to the negative 1. To input your matrix, you will go over to edit, so you're going to arrow over to edit. And on this particular problem, I'm going to be adding these two matrices. So I'm going to put this first one in A and the second one into B. So I'm highlighted on A, so I'll hit enter. That is a 2 by 3, so I entered the dimensions, and then I just type in the numbers that are in the matrix. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And to enter the second one, you'll go back second matrix over to edit. Now this time you'll go down to B. There we go. That is a 2 by 3. And then we'll type in those numbers. 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 2. Now after you're done entering, before you get ready to tell the calculator to do the operation, whether it's adding, multiplying, you always want to quit. So you hit second mode. Now you're onto your screen where you can do your operation. So you need to go second matrix. We're going to be adding matrix A, so enter, plus, that's the operation, back to second matrix. We'll go down to B, hit enter, and then enter. So if you add those two matrices, that's the result you'll get. Next, we're going to multiply. So on this particular matrix, I've got a 3 by 3, and this is a 3 by 2. And if you remember, you can multiply a 3 by 3 and a 3 by 2 as long as the number of columns in the first match the number of rows in the second, and that's the case. So I'm going to go ahead and enter those two matrices. I'm going to put the first one in A and the second one in B. So again, I go over to edit. This one is a 3 by 3. So I'm going to enter. Always double check to make sure you put in all the correct numbers, your signs are correct. And I did, and then so second matrix, over to edit again. Remember, I'm going to put the second one under B. That is a 3 by 2. All right, that's good, so I will quit. And then I will tell it to multiply. So second matrix, I will choose A, times second matrix, go down to B, enter. Now in example 2, I'm going to be multiplying a 2 by 2 by a 2 by 2. So we're just going to go ahead and enter those. Again, second matrix, over to edit. I'll put this first one in A, second one in B. That's a 2 by 2. Back to second matrix, over to edit, down to B. That's a 2 by 2. Make sure they're correct. I'm going to quit. I'm going to clear my screen. Second matrix, enter A, times second matrix, down to B, enter, enter. All right, the next thing we're going to do is find the determinant. So if you remember, when we found the determinant, that's just a number. Yes? Okay, so we're going to enter this matrix and take the determinant. So second matrix, go over to edit. I'm going to put that under A. That's a 3 by 3. Quit out. you go second matrix, and then over you see where it says names, math, edit, you're going to go to math, and the very first choice is determinant, DET, that stands for determinant, so you'll select that. And now the calculator is waiting for you to tell which matrix you want it to find the determinant of. So you go back to second matrix, I put that under A, so I'll hit enter, enter. So the determinant of that matrix is 17. Let's enter the next one, so it's a 2 by 2, second matrix, over to edit, 2 by 2. Once I've got them all entered, again, you quit. You go to second matrix, again, over to math. The first is DET, which is determinant. Tell it which matrix. I put that under A again, and enter. The last thing we're going to do is find the inverse. So I'm going to find the inverse of this 2 by 2. And this x to the -1, that means inverse. So I'm going to enter my matrix just like I did before. So second matrix, I'm going to go over to edit. I'm going to put that 2 by 2 in. So 4, -1, 5, and 2. I will quit. And then I choose that matrix. So I go second matrix, I choose A, then I hit to the -1. That means I'm going to take the inverse, and I hit enter. Lots of decimals. I want that in fraction form, so I hit math. That first choice is fraction, enter, enter. So that is the inverse with all of the fractions. Let's do one more. This is a 3 by 3, so I'm going to enter it under second matrix, over to edit, 3 by 3. Double check that I've got my numbers in correctly. I do. I will quit out. I'm going to clear that screen. Second matrix, I put that in A, then x to the -1, enter. All my decimals, again I'll hit math, fractions number 1, enter, enter. And then that would be my inverse. So next we're going to be looking at solving systems using row reduced echelon form, but we'll take a look at that.